In this section, we are going to see about the replications rule in on AWS S3. So basically, we use this replication rule mainly for backup. So for example, if you see the diagram, I have S3 bucket. This is a source. Whatever the files or data in this source bucket, automatically I need to copy into the another S3 bucket. So this S3 bucket may be in the same region, or it will be a different region or a different AWS account. As per the best practice, we usually keep in a different S3 bucket with a different region, because if any issue happen in one of the region, so automatically your data will be there in another region where you can able to restore the data. So usually we use for the mainly for backups, a data backup or cross regions replications. These are the things mainly for the DR kind of thing we use it. So any issue happened in the source bucket on this particular, for example, it is located in US East 1A, and some issue happened on this infrastructure, and we want to replicate into another region, maybe EU West 1. Okay, so such that I can restore the data from another region. That's the intention. So how to create this kind of scenario? So AWS provides a replication rule, so it will automatically replicate this thing in the another region. So that, what is the benefit of using? One is we make sure that it replicate, as I told you, we can replicate this data into a different geographical, different region. And also we make sure that we always try to make nearest region, because if something happened, we want to restore, because the data transfer and the latency has to be considered as a factor. So always we try to re, replicate the data almost the nearest region, actually mainly used for any kind of backups and automatic mechanism. We will do it. So these are the steps. So I have already mentioned the link. You can go through and refer it. Okay. So these are steps how to create a replication rule in AWS Management Console. And also have mentioned how to create using AWS CLI also. Okay. So let us see in the next lecture with a hands-on demo. Thank you guys. We'll see you in the next section.